In this class, we are going to learn about array, whether we will find minimum number from an array. Okay, so what is an array? Already we know what is an array, and in this program code, we will find the minimum number. So let's see the output of this program code. So how many numbers are you enter in array? Suppose you enter 5. Okay, then now enter in elements. So suppose you enter 50, 60, 30, 20, and then 40. So we know here 20 is the minimum number. So this is the output for find minimum number from an array, and this is the array. Okay, this is the array also 50. So what is the program code for this output? So let's see the program code. Suppose you enter n values, n equals to 4. Okay, so here n equals to 4, that means condition check I value 0. So 0 less than equals to n value, condition is true, then a 0, that means 30 value stores. Okay, then increment the value of I. Now increment the value index, so 1, and this is the 1. Okay, and this 1 values is, this is the 1, and here condition check and it's also true. So 20 is also print or is stored. Okay, and now increment the value of I to I is the index. Okay, so we stored the value of a 2, that means here 10. Okay, this location, and when increment the value of I 3, then condition is also true, then take input, and suppose you enter 50. Okay, and now increment the value of I, and I value is now 4. Then what happened? 4 less than equals to 4, then here the uh, condition is false, because 4 equal to, so suppose this is not, 4 is not allowed. Okay, because n equals to, n values equals to here 4. So we take this input value. Okay, so in this case where mean equals to a0, that means 30 values. Okay, so 30 values is stored in mean variable, so 30 equals to mean. And now check this condition, and where I value equals to 1 and less than equals to 4, condition is true, then check the if condition. We know what is the mean value. Mean value, that means 30 and greater than ai. Now I value is 1, so a1, that means a1 1 value, that means 20, a1 that means 20. So now here 20, condition is true, then mean values equal to 20, because ai values is stored in mean variable. Then now increment the value of I and increment 2, and we know index value 2, here stored value 10. Okay, so in this case AI, that means here now mean value 20 and AI value, that means 10. Condition is also true, so the mean value is stored in main variable, so 10 is stored in this mean value, and now increment the value of I and increment the value of I 3, here index is 3. Okay, so 50, so here we know mean variable now 10. Okay, and check AI, that means index I values 3, AI, that means A3, that means 50. Okay, or here 50, condition is false. Okay, so mean equal to mean, that means mean equals to 50. So now increment the value of I, and now I value is 4, so this condition is also false, so exit from for loop and print the value of minimum number. Okay, so this is the mean variable, and here print the value of mean. We know what is the value of mean, 50. This is the mean variable, and return or exit from this main function, and now see the output of this program code. Okay, now save, then exit. So run this program code using GCC compiler. So CCC program name now ./a.out. Okay, so enter how many numbers are you enter in array. Suppose you enter 5, so you enter numbers 50, then 60, then 40, then 10, then 80. So we know here in this array, this is the array 50, 60, 40, 10, 80. This is the array values where 10 is the minimum number. Okay, try to another example. So now run, execute this program, and now enter the value of numbers. How many numbers are you enter? Suppose you enter 4, so enter 4 elements. Suppose you enter 44, then 11, then 33, then 20. Here 11 is the minimum number. It's right. Okay, thanks for watching.